Full mouth debridement cleaning. Regular dental cleanings prevent oral diseases and maintain optimal oral health. One type of dental cleaning procedure that is often recommended for individuals with significant buildup of plaque and tartar is full mouth debridement. What is full mouth debridement? Full mouth debridement is a dental procedure that removes excessive plaque and tartar buildup from all tooth surfaces, including below the gum line. It is recommended for individuals who have not had a professional dental cleaning for an extended period. The procedure involves using specialized dental instruments to remove the accumulated deposits, providing a clean foundation for further examination and treatment. Is debridement the same as deep cleaning? Deep cleaning, also known as scaling and root planing, is a more extensive procedure specifically targeted toward treating gum disease. On the other hand, full mouth debridement focuses on removing heavy deposits to create a clean surface for further evaluation and treatment if necessary. What are the benefits of a full mouth debridement? Improved oral health. Full mouth debridement effectively removes stubborn plaque and tartar buildup, reducing the risk of oral diseases such as gum disease and cavities. Enhanced treatment accuracy. By removing the heavy deposits, full mouth debridement allows dentists to have a clear view of the oral structures and accurately diagnose any underlying issues. Preventive measure. It helps prevent the progression of gum disease and reduces the need for more invasive treatments in the future. Better treatment outcomes. Whether a routine dental procedure or a more complex treatment, the dentist can plan treatments more efficiently after a full mouth debridement. What happens after debridement? After the full mouth debridement procedure, it is crucial to maintain good oral hygiene practices to prevent the recurrence of plaque and tartar buildup. Your dentist will recommend regular dental cleanings and checkups to monitor oral health and promptly address potential issues. During the post-debridement phase, it is common to experience mild tooth sensitivity or gum tenderness. These temporary symptoms typically subside within a few days. Full mouth debridement cleaning is a comprehensive approach that can effectively address oral health issues by removing heavy deposits of plaque and tartar, improving oral health and preventing the progression of oral diseases. By prioritizing dental cleanings and following the advice of dental professionals, individuals can maintain a healthy smile and prevent oral health complications. Noble Dental Care has been practicing award-winning dentistry in Tempe for over 30 years. We'd love to add you to our roster of happy patients.